Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you where you can find gists in your GitHub projects and create a new gist. So let us dive into this. So head over to your account on GitHub, navigate to your project here on the left handle or left panel. And after that, guys, inside your project, click into that plus create new button here. And you will see these options: create a new issue, for example, inside your project. You may create a new repository, import a repository, create new code space, and also a new gist. So click into this button, and after that you may, for example, create a gist here using a code, for example. So describe it here at the top, gist description, and fill it with content below. For example, you may use also these shortcuts here, or you may add a file, like, I don't know, a code, for instance, to the given gist, or a snippet, or a node. It's totally up to you. Simply click into this button, locate the file on your device, and after that select create public gist, for example, or private, and click into this button. Now, of course, the content field must be filled with something, so I can't leave it like that. But if you'd like to navigate to all your created gists, click into this button here, and you will see, for example, discover gists here, also by other users within the given repository here with the username. And that's basically it, guys. That's how to do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.